So what do we need to pass the 90-day program? So ito kailangan natin, meron tayong i-prepare na mga things, and of course, we should know the rules of the 90-day program. So what are the things that we need ba? Okay, so we need of course the products. Ano pa? List of people. Ano ba yung mga list of people natin? Yung relatives and friends natin, nasa Jumpstart Basic yan. Triggered questions, nasa Jumpstart Basic. Referrals, nasa Jumpstart Add-on. Then prospecting, nasa Jumpstart Add-on din. Dapat i-master natin yung list of people. Paramihan to ng list of people or LOP. And then, we should have the script. Importante may script tayo para duplicatable tayo. The setting appointment script and the home visit script. Nasa ano din yan, Jumpstart Basic. Ano pang kailangan natin? Kailangan natin ang business plan. Very important. And of course, the packet monitor. Kailangan natin yan. So ito yon, 5 things that we need for the 90-day program. Make sure meron ka nito. Okay, so ano pa? Of course, we should understand or master the rules. Very important na alam natin yung rules. So ano ba yung mga rules natin? We have 10 rules. So isa-isahin natin. So ang batch, sa batch 8 tayo, the 90-day program o batch 8. So of course, itong program rules applicable din sa mga future batches natin. So rule number 1, program starts for batch 8. Kasi 3 months to, 90-day program. March 1 to 31 is our first month. April 1 to 30 is our second month. May 1 to 31 is our third month. Okay, so passing mark natin, 70% lang. Kaya? Of course, kaya yan. So ano pa? Number 3, ano bang manner of computation? Dapat ha, pag binigay mo tong packet monitor sa mentor mo, naka may score na, para hindi na mag-compute si upline mentor mo. So, paano ba i-compute yung natin, grade natin? So, ano lang yan? Division lang yan, no? Numerator and denominator. Madali yung denominator kasi 25 talaga yan. Fixed na yan. Hindi na kailangan i-compute yan. I-compute natin yung numerator. The numerator is the number of days target achieved. Sa 31 days or 30 days in a month, ilan ba yung number of days mo na naka-hit ka sa target? So, natin, isa-isahin natin. Ano ba yung, paano ka naka-hit ng target? So, marami to, 5 to, things na you can achieve the target, that you can say that you have achieved the target, 1 day target achieved. So, number 1 is, if you can sell 1 bottle, or you have 3 STPs a day, or yan ha, so kung hindi ka makabenta ng at least 1 bottle, you have to talk STP, use of business plan, no? 3 Power or PowerPoint, dapat may 3 STPs ka a day. Again, if you cannot sell 1 bottle, you have to talk to 3 people a day. If you can do that, 1 bottle, or meron kang 3 STPs, kahit wala kang benta, basta naka-STP ka ng 3, so 1 target achieved na yan, no? 1 day target achieved. So, pangalawa is, kung wala kang benta, pero meron kang one-on-one startup training, ano yung bang mga one-on-one startup training natin? Ano ba yung mga startup training natin, SUT natin? 3 yan ha. Number 1, yung 5 to 10 times 2-on-1 STP. So, kasama mo yung new sign-up mo, 2-on-1 STP. Another one is one-on-one Jumpstart. And the third one is the one-on-one NDSO. So, yun ang mga SUT natin or startup training natin. So, meron kang isang training dyan, either 2-on-1 STP, kahit isang 2-on-1 STP, or isang one-on-one NDSO, basta one-on-one yan, personal talaga yan, or one-on-one Jumpstart, in 1 day, 1 day target achieved na yan. Or any sign up, number 3, any sign up including 2,000. Kahit 2,000, basta nag-sign up, lalo na kung Express Direct, I4R, no? Mga detox program package, yan, 1 day target achieved yan. Ano pa? Personal home meeting. Kung dapat sa'yo talaga yan, your own home meeting. No? Yan, 1 day target achieved yan. Then number 5, kahit wala kang benta, pero you attended any of the following RLT, so hindi ka naman zero. Pag naka-attend ka ng RLT, 2 days yan yung RLT natin. Diba? So, 2 days target achieved. Or MBA, or gala, Christmas party, or incentive, yan, 1 day target achieved yan. Okay, clear ba? So, hindi lang pala benta-benta ng intra na makahit ka ng target. pwede rin naka one-on-one startup training ka, or pwede rin na meron kang sign up, or pwede rin nag-personal home meeting ka, or pwede rin na nag-attend ka ng RLT. So, madali lang, di ba? Of course, madali lang. So, how do we grade ba? So, very important ha, the basis of our grading is Pocket Monitor. So, make sure may Pocket Monitor ka. Merong ano dyan, 3 Pocket Monitors for 50 pesos, or you can download sa ano natin, Business Owners Pro. Okay, so how do we grade ba? Again ha, as a responsible student, pag-send mo dyan sa upline mentor mo, naka-grade na yan. Actually, hindi naman i-check yan eh, kasi business mo yan. Kung hindi mo tama ginagawa yan, sa'yo yan. Diba? Business mo yan, no? Okay, so make sure na tama talagang ginagawa mo. Okay? So, paano ba to gagawin? Like, for example, ano tayo ngayon? So, lagyan mo yan sa Pocket Monitor, may pangalan. So, lagay mo yung pangalan mo, si Marico. Tapos, ang month and year, in this case, March 2022. Then, month target mo. Ano ba yung target mo? Regional Director ba? Executive Director? Or ilang Express Direct? Then, daily target mo. Of course, minimum tayo, 1 bottle a day. Okay? So, let's say March 1. Okay, sa March 1, meron kang 3 STP. No? Walang benta. Basta STP, 3 katao. So, by the way pala, kung 10 people nag-attend, tapos isang STP lang yon, consider lang yon, no, 1 STP. Hindi siya 10 STPs. Okay? Kasi 1 ka lang nag-present eh. Okay? So, yan, 3 STPs ka. So, ano yan? Target achieve ba? Day target achieve? Yes, day target achieve yan. So, lagyan natin ng star. Okay? March 2, nakabenta ka ng isa. Day target achieve ba? Yes, day target achieve. March 3, 2 lang yung STP mo. Wala kang benta. Diba? Pag walang benta, dapat 3 yung STP minimum para day target achieve. So, sa March 3, hindi siya day target achieve. Sa 4, yan, day target achieve kasi nakabenta ka ng 2 bottles. 5, March 5, 3 STPs ka, day target achieve. Tapos sa number 6, 2-in-1 STP. Diba? Kahit isa lang 2-in-1 STP mo, basta issue T, startup training, yes, day target achieve din. Yan. Ano lang yan ha, 5 to 10 times kasi sa new sign up mo yan. Kasi it's our moral obligation na talaga OJT tawag natin. Sama-samahan natin yung bagong sign up natin. I-train natin mag-STP. Kaya kahit isa yan, in a day, target achieve na yan. Okay, so sa March 7, March 7, Express Direct, of course. Day target achieve yan. No, pwede nang matulog, no? Lalo na 7 AM, meron ka na Express Direct. So, pwede na matulog. So, sa March 8, anong nangyari sa March 8? Yan, nag-jump start ka sa bagong sign up mo. So, yan, day target achieve din yan. So, sa March 9, anong nangyari sa March 9? Yan, meron kang 2-in-1 STP. No, 2 yung 2-in-1 STP mo. So, yun nga, sabi ko, kahit isa lang, 2-in-1. Basta 2-in-1 STP, 5 to 10 times lang ha. Kahit isa lang yan, day target achieve din yan. So, March 10, anong nangyari sa March 10? So, nag-NDSO ka. Yan, nag-NDSO ka. At the same time, meron kang STP. Yan, day target achieve din yan. Sa March 11, so, meron kang 2-in-1 STP. No? So, meron kang 2-in-1 STP, tapos meron ka ring nag-STP ka rin personal. So, of course, day target achieve yan. Sa March 12, sa March 12, meron ka ng benta. Of course, 1. So, day target achieve din yan. Sa 13, nagpahinga ka kasi meron ka ng Express Direct siguro. No? So, sa 14, nakabenta ka ng excited ka. Diba? Kasi basta meron tayong Express Direct, na-excite tayo eh. So, yun nga sabi nila, kung the best time to close another Express Direct is when you had just 1, di ba? So, sa 14, meron kang 2 bottles plus 5 bottles sold. So, of course, day target achieve yan. Sa 15, wala. 16, nag-attend ka ng RLT. Yan, day target achieve. 17, 2 days kasi yung RLT. Ka rin, attend. At saka, meron ka rin personal STP. Tapos, meron ka rin benta na 1 bottle. Yan, of course, day target achieve yan, no? So, yung mga block dyan, sa nakikita nyo, ano yan, STP na wala kang benta. Kaya shade lang. No? Kasi kung nag-STP ka, tapos nakabenta ka, you put the number of products sold. No? So kung isa, you put 1. Kung 5, you put 5. Kung wala, kasi not yet pa, you just shade. No? Meaning, kung bakante yan, wala kang ginawa. So makita mo talaga na kung maraming bakante, bakante din yung bulsa. Okay, sa 18, 3 yung STP mo. Yan, of course, day target achieved. Tapos sa 19, may benta kang 4. No, sa first STP mo, 3. Sa second STP, 1. So of course, day target achieved. Sa 20, meron kang sign up na 2,000. Okay, day target achieved din yan. Sa 21, nag-home meeting ka. Yes, day target achieved. Sa 22, nag-STP ka, isang STP, pero hindi nakabenta. So yan, kailangan 3 dapat yan. So isa lang, so hindi siya day target achieved. Sa 23, 24, walang nangyari. Sa 25, yes, meron kang 3 bottles sold or 3 products sold. So day target achieved. 26, 27, walang nangyari. 28, may 3 STPs ka, walang benta. So shade lang. No? So, yan, day target achieved din yan. Sa 29, meron kang isang benta, day target achieved. Sa 30, March 30, meron kang 2 benta, so day target achieved. Sa 31, meron kang 2 STP, walang benta, so 2 shade yan. So, dapat 3. Pag hindi nakabenta, dapat 3 yung shade yan. 3 STP na naka-shade na black. So, yan. Sa 31, day target achieved ba or hindi? Hindi, kasi 3 kailangan, 2 lang. Okay, so paano ba mag-grade? So again, the formula, number of target achieved days. So kung ilang day target achieved, no? And total number of working days. So ano na yan? Fixed, ilan yun? Constant? 25, not 25 automatic, 25 working days. Bakit 25 lang? 31 naman. Eh may mga day off tayo, di ba? So kaya pinifix na natin sa 25. So kung nag-work ka sa day off mo, lalaki yung grade mo, di ba? Kasi 25 lang dyan, no? Okay, so number of target days achieved. So ibilangin natin yung mga stars. 1, 2. Sa 1, merong isa. Sa 2, merong star, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, 22 number of target achieved days. So, divide mo by 25. So, magkano yan? 88%. Yes, pumasa ka. 88%, 70% lang kailangan. Di ba? Ang dali. Madali, basta alam mo talaga yung rules. Yan. Okay, so number 5, rule number 5 tayo. Only those new people and new orders are considered as part of the target. Reorders are not included. Take note ha, reorders hindi kasali sa bilang. Okay? So, yan. Ano na tayo? Rule number 6. 6A. Paano ba mag-graduate? Diba? Kung nasa level 1 ka, paano ba alam mo kung level 1 ka? Kung hindi ka pa nakatry talaga magpa-enroll, first time mo pa-enroll. So, level 1 tayo. Okay? So, sa level 1, alam mo, 2 months out of 3 months lang ipasa mo. Diba? March, April, May yon. So, kahit 2 buwan lang doon, ang ipasa mo, 70%, nag-ano ka na, graduate ka na sa level 1. Yung level 2 naman, so naging level 2 ka. No, next enrollment, next batch, level 2 ka na. Yung mga level 2, yung pumasa sa level 1, of course, no? So, level 2 ka, kung level 2 ka, mag-graduate ka lang dito, kung 3 na, 3 out of 3 months pass. So, March, April, May, dapat ipasa mo talaga yan, at least 70%. Level 3, so of course, sino ba mga level 3? Yung pumasa sa level 2 na, no? Level 3 na sila, no? So, 3 out of 3 months ang ipasa, plus qualified every month. Marami akong nakikita dito, hindi pa masyadong familiar ang level 3. Kala nila ipasa lang yung buong period, 3 months. No, plus qualified every month. Qualified every month dapat. No, so mga mentor, tingnan nyo, makikita nyo man yan sa PBC, na yung pumasa sa 3 months, pero make sure na qualified sila. Kasi ano din yan dapat talaga marami silang products. Kasi saan silang bottles binibenta kung hindi sila qualified, di ba? So, dapat qualified yan every month sa level 3. So, masteral, may mga masteral dito, yung nakaano na talaga, may elite promotion na. Elite is NMD and above. Okay? So, masteral, papasa ka lang sa masteral kung 3 out of 3 months, kung pinasa mo, 3 months talaga, pinasa mo, plus may elite promotion ka. Ang doctoral, GMD lang to. No? Paano ba to? Meron kang elite promotion every month. So, March, April, and May, meron kang elite promotion wherein ikaw yung nearest elite, no? Elite leader. Okay? So, sa mga GMD lang to, yan, doctoral na yan. So, wala pa tayong doctoral. Challenge nyo. Self nyo, mag-doctoral kayo. First ever na doctoral graduate, no? So, gawin nyo lang every month, 3 months, meron kang elite leader promotion and you are the nearest elite, tapos GMD ka. Okay? So, to compute the first honor in your class, para to sa mga mentor, make sure sinunod nyo yung rules. Paano ba? Dapat enrollees at the beginning of the class should have a minimum of 5 students in the entire class. No? So, meaning kung 4 lang yung students sa klase nyo, hindi kayo qualified na merong first honor. Sa beginning sa class, kasi during the, at the end of 90 days, kung 5 kayo beginning, sometimes 3 na lang kayo, okay lang yan. Basta sa beginning, 5 talaga kayo minimum. Okay? Baka isa lang yung student mo, tapos siya yung first honor. Wala naman yung, hindi maganda, di ba? Talagang siya yung first honor kasi mag-isa lang siya. Okay? So, wala ring honor, di ba? So, B is the highest promotion among passers. Okay? So, dapat kung sinong first honor doon, kung sino ang pinakamalaking promotion. So, kung may nag-NMD doon, and siya lang yung NMD, so siya yung highest promotion, so siya yung first honor. Okay? Kung walang NMD, siguro may ED6 PL, and siya yung highest promotion sa class mo, so siya yung first honor. Okay? And then, the candidate must be present in most of our events and visible in Good Morning World FB page, no? So, yan, no? Sa iba, meron din tayo sila GMD2Net, sa nila, Good Morning Abundance nila, sa atin, Good Morning World FB page, no? So, yan, no? Tayo, dapat present din tayo. Talagang natin tong Good Morning World, no? The best prospecting tool kasi to no? I really encourage you, no, natin lahat na mag-post talaga tayo dyan, inspiring post, mag-like, mag-engage tayo, no? Kasi dyan talaga tayo dumadami sa Good Morning World. So, I'm begging you, please post sa Good Morning World regularly talaga. Okay, so kung may mga tayo, siguro 2 yung NMD mo in that period, paano ba i-break yung tie? Sino bang first honor? So, dito na, the candidate who got the highest grade will be the first honor. Okay? So, meron talaga yung basis sa computation sa first honor. Okay? So, Rule 6C, accelerated students. Oy, may accelerated students din tayo dito. Sino ba to? The student in level 1 and 3, level 1 to 3, can be accelerated to masteral if she get the elite promotion and pass the 3 months during the period. Like for example, naka-enroll ka sa level 2 or level 1 or level 3. Tapos, pumasa ka sa 3 months. Tapos, na-NMD ka. Yan, accelerated ka na sa masteral. Pwede nga, level 1 ka lang. Pero during that period, sa 3 months, pumasa ka. Tapos, NMD ka kaagad, sa level 1 ka pa lang, accelerated ka na to masteral. Kasi lahat ng pumasa sa masteral, mga elite na. Okay? So, aim for accelerated students. Galing yan. Okay? Number 7, Rule 7, Packet Monitor is the basis of grading. Packet Monitor talaga. Okay? Number 8, Rule number 8, cut-off is always daily. No upsetting in any other day. If you have 8 battles sold today, that's good for that day only. Okay? So, yan, no? Hindi pwede na hindi na ako magbenta ngayon kasi, yesterday, meron akong 7 bottles, so I have 7 days pa na magpahinga-pahinga. No, hindi. No, kung ilan ang bottles sold today, ganun talaga, posting yan for the day. Hindi pwede na para sa next week or next day. Okay, so cut-off is always daily. Okay, number 9, STP is use of business plan or PowerPoint presentation. Otherwise, it is considered mere chika-chika and not counted. STP in virtual presentations like Zoom, Facebook, and other online platforms are valid STPs. Okay, so hindi pwede chika-chika lang. Meron talaga tayong materials na ginagamit. Ano yung ginagamit natin? Pwede PowerPoint or the business plan. Kasi ina-encourage talaga natin pakita how duplicatable or how duplicable our business is. Hindi kailangan i-memorize kasi nga baka yung mga prospect natin magsabi nga, ay, ang hirap ng business nila, no? Mag-memorize. So, basa lang talaga yan, no? Napaka self-explanatory, pero yung emotions nasa stories mo talaga. Okay? Then number 10, the group jumpstart in DSO. Group group, hindi siya one-on-one. Yung startup training, yung mo yon, one-on-one mo yon, no? Sa bagong sign-up mo. So, considered yan as day target achieved. Pero yung group, no, na jumpstart in DSO, Hope, and Mindset Training are not part of the daily target. Yes or yes? Madali lang ba ang rules? Of course, madali lang. So, tapos na ako. No, good luck, students. No, and again, to pass, you need 5 things. Number 1, products. Naku, maraming products. Padamihan lang talaga to ng product. Kasi kung marami kang products, mas ma-pressure ka na lalabas. Mag-STP ka, mas ma-pressure ka, mag-learn ka, mag-STP. Mas ma-pressure ka, magpa-mentor sa upline mo. Mas ma-pressure ka na mag-list ng maraming tao. So, wag kang matakot sa product. Mas matakot ka pag wala kang products. Products. Padamihan lang talaga to ng products. Believe me, kailangan mo talaga ng products. No, kung 2 instant direct, mas maganda kung 2 instant direct products mo. Number 2, LOP, list of people. Number 3, scripts for setting appointment on visit. So, kung hindi mo alam to, magpa-workshop ka sa upline mentor mo. Sa LOP, pwede ka rin magpa-workshop sa pa-role play ka sa sa mentor mo, upline mentor mo, para prepared ka talaga para sa battle, no? Paglabas mo, napaka-confident mo na. Tapos, of course, the business plan, the pocket monitor. And of course, you need to understand the rules, no? Para pumasa ka. So, yun lang, yung 5 things na kailangan mo, tsaka rules dapat i-master mo or aralin mo, no? Okay, so, enroll now in the 90-day program. Kasi some people hindi talaga magpa-enroll kasi wala silang tao, wala silang product, hindi sila marunong mag-present, wala silang cheque, hindi sila excited, or baka hindi sila pumasa. Alam mo, by not trying, pagsak ka na talaga. You failed without a fight, di ba? Mas masaklap yun. No? Alam mo, one of my favorite quote is this: the cave that you are afraid to enter lies the treasure that you want. No? Okay, so I will break it to you gently that the things you want, the excitement, the stable network for your stable passive income, your 6-digit check or even the 7-digit check are there in the cave that you are afraid to enter. And you are afraid to enter because of the rejections and all those challenges. But you know what? Ang rejections is our gate to the cave. Andun ang treasure na kailangan, na gustong-gusto mo. It means if marami kang rejections, you're in the right track. You're in the right cave. Kasi pag wala kang rejections, hindi tama ang daan mo. Baka ibang cave ang pinasok mo. Cave na puro utang, cave na puro trabaho, puro sakit, working for 40 years na makapag-travel lang pag 60 years old ka na. Yan ba ang gusto mo na cave? Of course, hindi natin gusto yan. So, pa-reject tayo kasi that's the way, that's the gate, that's the passport to our dreams. No? So, I'm excited talaga of our business kasi if tutuusin talaga, we're not selling juice actually, but we're selling freedom with a proven program. Every time sinasabi ko to, parang naging excited talaga ako. No? Yes, we're selling Intra so we can build capital in phase 1. And we carry lifestyles business, of course, kasi 30 years na siya sa market. And we have phenomenal product like Intra. And once we have the capital, we'll build assets na in phase 2 para mag-enjoy tayo ng passive income in phase 3. Diba? So, passport lang talaga ang lifestyles business because this is the most affordable business model where we can be leveraged. Kasi kung hindi tayo na-leverage, we cannot achieve financial freedom. Hindi kasya yung personal effort natin. We have to be leveraged. Unless kung hindi ka ma-leverage, you are very busy working so hard but earning so little. And again, lifestyles the most affordable business model where you can be leveraged. Kaya, kailangan mo lang talaga ipasa to para hindi ka natakot sa mga rejections. Sanayan lang yan, no? Kaya magpa-enroll ka talaga para ma-master mo yung skills, the presentation skills, the closing skills, your communication skills, your social skills, lahat ng skills. You know what? Our Pocket Monitor is just our scorecard of how well you perform in the field. No, yung field kasi natin, yun ang classroom natin. Okay? So, kaya wag matakot if bagsak ka, if mag-fail ka. Para sa akin, try and try lang talaga yan until you learn the skills to build a strong network. Kasi it's the growth more than the goals. It's the person that you need to become in order to get your dreams. Okay? So, I'm done. So, see you in class.